Okay, so today we're going to continue CPM 5.11, and let's go ahead and get started with problem number 4. It says 1 granola bar contains 4 grams of dietary fiber. The label says that 4 grams is 16% of the daily recommended amount. Luis decided to draw a diagram like the one below to understand the situation. Okay, so we need to add 16% onto this diagram. From the reading, I know that 4 grams is 16%. So right here, I'm going to label it 16%. Now it's telling us how many grams of fiber are recommended each day. How can you show this with equal ratios? And you guys are actually going to be picking your own label today and showing what is the recommended daily amount. So we know that 16% can be rewritten as a fraction as 16 over 100. 100% of the daily recommended value. We don't know that, so we're going to use a variable x because that's going to be the same thing as 100%. 16% of daily intake of fiber was 4 grams. So now we need to find what this daily fiber intake is. And there's 2 ways of doing it. We can do what we call cross multiplication, where we do 4 times 100 and then 16 times x. 4 times 100 is 400 and 16x stays the same. We then have to divide both sides by 16 and we get that x is equal to 25. Now the other way is what we're most used to, where we ask ourselves, what do I multiply 4 to get to 16? Well, I can multiply 4 by 4 and get 16. So now I need to think of a number that when I multiply it by 4, I get 100. And that number is 25. Okay, so 25 grams is the recommended daily intake of fiber. Okay, and that's how you would find the daily recommended. And that's what you're going to be doing today for your PowerPoint slide. I'm going to go ahead and finish off this problem, but if you just wanted to see this part, you'll go ahead and go to the slide now. Okay, now for part C. What percent of fiber should Louise get from other foods? What is the percent equivalent to the ratio 21 grams over 25 grams? Well, 100 minus 16 is going to give me 84. And this 21 grams represents the 25 grams minus 4. 4 because she already ate 4 grams, so 21. And if I were to divide 21 by 25, I'd get 0.84. And as a percentage, we know it's 84%. Alright, so let's go ahead and add these missing values to our table. So 21 grams of other foods. And this is from the granola bar. And the rest of this missing percentage is 84. Okay guys, I hope this helps and that you're able to do today's work.